New Mexico provides a research and development tax credit known as the Technology Jobs Tax Credit, which adopts the federal definition of R&D. The credit is equal to 4% of QREs or 8% of QREs if the qualified facility is located in a rural area. A qualified facility means a factory, mill, plant, refinery, warehouse, dairy, feedlot, building, or complex of buildings located in New Mexico. These include the land on which the facility is located and all machinery, equipment, and other real and tangible personal property located on or within the facility and used in connection with the operation of the facility. A facility operated by the taxpayer for the U.S. government is ineligible. Qualifying research expenses include any expenditure connected to qualified research at a qualified facility. Qualifying expenses may include depletable land and rent paid or incurred for land improvements, allowable amounts paid or incurred to operate or maintain a facility, buildings, equipment, computer software upgrades, consultants and contractors performing work in New Mexico, payroll, technical books and manuals, and test materials. Qualified research is any research that is undertaken to discover information that is technological in nature, intended to be useful in the development of a new or improved business component of the taxpayer and related to a new or improved function, performance, reliability, or quality, but not related to style, taste, or cosmetic design. The Technology Jobs Tax Credit states that a taxpayer may apply for approval of credit within 1 year following the end of the calendar year in which the qualified expenditure was made. The credit may be taken against gross receipts tax, compensating tax, or state payroll tax. An additional 4% credit may be applied against state income tax if base payroll expenses increase by at least $75,000 per $1 million of expenses claimed. The basic tax credit may be applied against the taxpayer's compensating tax, gross receipts tax, or withholding tax due to the state of New Mexico. No taxpayer may claim an amount of approved basic credit for any reporting period that exceeds the sum of the taxpayer's gross receipts tax, compensating tax, and withholding tax due for that reporting period. The additional tax credit may be applied against the taxpayer's personal or corporate income tax. No taxpayer may claim an amount of additional credit for any reporting period that exceeds the amount of the taxpayer's personal or corporate income tax due for that reporting period. A husband and wife may each claim only 1/2 the additional credit. A pass-through entity approved for additional credit may pass the additional credit to its owners, partners, or members using Form RPD-41368. Any amount of credit not claimed for a reporting period may be claimed in subsequent reporting periods. If the taxpayer or a successor in business of the taxpayer ceases operations in New Mexico for 180 consecutive days within a 2-year period, any approved unclaimed credit shall be extinguished. Within 30 days after the 180 days, the taxpayer shall pay the tax against which an improved Technology Jobs Tax Credit was taken.